and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Aloo paratha is probably the most favorite breakfast menu for many, including kids. Today I have tried to make a healthier version of this paratha by keeping the original yummy taste intact. So first, let us start with the ingredients. For the filling of the paratha, you will need 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes which I have already peeled, salt by taste, 4 to 5 big-sized garlic cloves, ginger piece about 2 to 3 inches big, green chilies or red chili powder by taste, and 1 small onion finely chopped. For the cover of the paratha, you will need wheat flour or atta 2 cups, chopped spinach about 1.5 cups. Instead of this, you can also use some other leafy vegetables like fenugreek leaves, mint leaves or coriander leaves. Salt by taste, oil 2 to 3 teaspoons to add to the wheat flour, and some more when roasting the paratha on griddle. First, let us prepare the dough for the cover. For this, add little salt to the wheat flour, also some oil, and now add all the cut spinach leaves or any other vegetable that you are using. Now add water slowly, and we have to knead this into a soft dough just like a chapati dough. Let us apply little more oil to this dough and then knead it lightly one more time. And now let us prepare the filling. Using a small grinder, I am going to make fine paste with these garlic cloves, ginger and green chilies. Now keep it aside for some time, and now I am going to mash these potatoes with a masher. Make sure that you leave no big pieces of potatoes uncrushed. Now add all the ginger, garlic and green chilies paste. Add the chopped onion and salt according to your taste. Now mix everything nicely, making sure that you crush any pieces of potatoes that are still left. Now with this filling, I am making about 2.5 to 3 inches big balls to keep them ready to stuff inside the cover. So the dough for the cover and the filling are both ready. Let us start rolling the parathas. Before rolling the parathas, first I have already kept a griddle for heating. Now take a small portion of this dough, little smaller than one portion of the filling, and give it a round shape. Here you can see that one ball of the filling is little larger than one ball of the dough. Now make the dough in a round shape and press to flatten. Apply wheat flour on both sides. Now turn it around between your fingers to flatten it and make it little bigger. Now place the ball of the filling into the dough and pull up the dough on all sides and close at the top. Press lightly and again apply some dry wheat flour on both sides. Now roll the paratha into a circle. Keep about half centimeter thick. Do not make it very thin. Parathas are usually thick in size and not thin. Now transfer it to the hot griddle. After about 1 minute, flip it over to the other side and apply little oil. Just enough so that it covers the entire surface. Spread it all over the paratha. And now again flip it over. Spread oil along this surface as well. And now nicely roast this paratha on both sides till you get little brown spots. As you can see, this has been nicely roasted on both sides. It has little brown spots evenly all over. So it is ready to serve. Add some butter on top and serve this yummy healthy paratha with some yogurt and a pickle of your choice. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy making this yummy, delicious and healthy paratha at home. Please do not hesitate to post any questions or comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.